Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe at your homes. Today we will study about soil conservation. To conserve soil means to protect soil from erosion. Roots of plants hold soil together and thus soil does not get eroded. Trees also slow down the wind. Therefore, soil can be preserved by planting trees. Earth is safe as long as plants survive on it. So, growing plants on large scale is called afforestation. In hilly areas, farming is done by cutting steps on the slopes of the hills. This slows down the flow of water and soil removed from one step is deposited on the next step. Thus, soil is not completely lost. This is known as terrace farming. Shelter belt. It is a cover of plants and trees around the field, which breaks the speed of strong winds and protects the soil from being blown away. In plains, the farmer builds fence or bunds around their fields. It prevents the rainwater from washing away the topsoil. Making dams and embankments along the river sides also prevent soil erosion. As we all know that overgrazing by animals leads to loss of vegetation and results into barren land. So, we should avoid overgrazing by animals on a same land. Dear students, as your teacher rotates your seat in the class, farmers also rotate crops in their fields to maintain the fertility of the soil. This practice of rotating crop is called crop rotation. For example, a farmer grows wheat in one season. The next time he will grow gram or pea or any other pulse crop to maintain the fertility of the soil. The addition of harmful substances in the soil, making it unfit for use, is called soil pollution. The substances that cause soil pollution are called soil pollutants. The polythene, plastic, leather objects lying on the ground in this picture are soil pollutants. Farmers use insecticides and pesticides to kill insects and pests. These harmful chemicals get collected in the plant body. When we eat these plants, the harmful chemicals enter our body and harm us. Other than this, it also causes soil and water pollution. So, my dear students, let us revise the ways by which we can conserve soil. We can prevent soil erosion by afforestation, terrace farming on hills, making shelter belts and fence in plains, making dams and embankments along rivers, and avoid deforestation and overgrazing by animals. We can improve the soil fertility by crop rotation, avoid dumping waste in open, and avoid using pesticides. We may even add manures and fertilizers to improve the soil fertility. I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you, children.